Many believe that it is the fire that kills people in house fires. In reality, it is the smoke that kills. While you sleep, the silent killer will fill your home. You will never hear, smell, or see it coming. Smoke can kill you in 3 to 4 short breaths, but a working smoke detector can save your life. Smoke detector saves lives. Check your smoke detectors monthly and replace the batteries at least twice a year. If you need assistance with this, please contact the Arlington Fire Department and we will assist you. For more fire safety tips, check out our website at www.arlingtontx.gov. Thanks and be safe.